Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine in the name of God. Children, see, this is your primary block. Welcome to GK class. Children, today we are going to learn lesson 11, Film Stars of India. Film star means the people who shines in the movie screen. It is not very easy to become a film stars. The film stars who succeeded now has suffered a lot during their early stage. Children, you all have your own hero and heroine, isn't it? Some of you like Vijay, Ajit, Sivakarthikeyan, Vikram Prabhu, Kirti Suresh, Anushka Shetty, Yogi Babu. Now let us see some of the achievements of today's film stars and yesteryear superstars. First, let us see about Vikram Prabhu. He is the grandson of actor Shivaji Ganeshan. He acted in Kumki film. He received Tamil Nadu State Film Award. Naga Chaitanya. He is a film actor in Telugu cinema. He is the son of actor Nagarjuna. His wife is Samantha. He received Filmfare Awards. Next is Kirti Suresh. She is the daughter of film actress Mrs. Menaga. She won the National Film Award in 2018 for Best Actress in Savitri role. Shruti Hassan. She is the daughter of Padma Shri Kamala Hassan. She acted in the film Yelam Arivu. Next, we are going to see Samantha. Samantha acted in a movie Nan Ye. This movie, you can see Ye, that is housefly, playing an important role. Samantha had a trust to give medical support for women and children from the financially weaker section. Manju Warrier. She was born in Nagarkoil. Manju Warrier won the state award and she also received a special national award. She is the brand ambassador of various government projects. Next is Amir Khan. Amir Khan is a Hindi actor. He received 9 Filmfare Awards and 4 National Film Awards. He was honored by the Government of India with the Padma Shri in 2003. Sivakarthikeyan. Sivakarthikeyan began his career as a stand-up comedian and television personality at Vijay Star. He has won a Tamil Nadu State Film Award. Anushka Shetty. She is an Indian actress. She acted in Bahubali movie. She received Tamil Nadu State Award and 3 Filmfare Awards. She is a talented and hard-working Indian girl. Ram Charan. Ram Charan is an actor, dancer and producer. His father is Chiranjeevi, the actor. His hobbies are reading, cooking and horse riding. He received Nandi Award and South Filmfare Awards. Hansika. She is an actress and model. She has appeared in many TV serials. She supports the education of 25 children and also takes care of medical needs of 10 women who are suffering with breast cancer. Children, next we are going to see yesteryear superstars. M.G. Ramachandran. He was the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He was an Indian politician and film actor who served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 10 years. He died due to heart failure. His political party is All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam. He received Bharat Ratna Award by Government of India, Filmfare Award and National Film Award. Shivaji Ganeshan. His other name is Nadigar Tilagam. He was active in Tamil cinema during the later half of the 20th century. His awards are Kalaimamani, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Filmfare Award. He acted in hundreds of Tamil, Telugu, Kannadam, Malayalam and Hindi films. Prem Nazir. Prem Nazir was an Indian film actor known as one of the Malayalam cinemas. He is referred to evergreen hero. The government of India honored him with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan award. Madhu. Madhu is a Malayalam actor, director, producer. He received Filmfare Award and Padma Shri Award. Jayalalitha. She was an Indian politician and film actress who served 6 times as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Her followers referred to her Amma and Purachi Thalavi. The government of Tamil Nadu honored her with the Kalaimamani Award, Filmfare Award for Best Actress. Satyan. Satyan was an Indian film actor known for his work in Malayalam cinema, noted for his natural style. He received 2 Kerala State Film Awards. Vaijayanthi Malla. She is an Indian film actress, Bharatanatyam dancer, Carnatic singer, dance choreographer. Next is N.T. Ramarao. He was an Indian actor, producer, director, film editor and politician who served as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for 7 years over 3 terms. He received Nandi Award and Filmfare Award. Sheila. She is a Malayalam film actress from India. She won National Film Award. Her name along with Prem Nazir's name figures in the Guinness Book of World Record for acting together in 101 films. Badmini. She was an Indian actress and trained Bharatanatyam dancer who acted in over 250 Indian films. She also received Kalaimamani Award and Filmfare Award. Next is Rajkumar. Rajkumar was a legend in the history of Kannada cinema. He had acted more than 200 movies. He began his career as a dramatist in his father's troupe. He received Padma Bhushan Award and 10 Filmfare Award and 9 state awards. Sunil Dutt. He was an Indian film actor, producer, director and politician. He was the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports in Manmohan Singh government. Sunil Dutt founded the Nargis Dutt Foundation for the cure of cancer patients. Vairamuthu. He is an Indian poet and novelist working in the Tamil film industry. Vairamuthu has won multiple national awards for writing lyrics for songs. He received Padma Bhushan Award. Dear children, I hope you all understood the lesson. You also achieve in your life. Thank you, children.